As La Martiniere Kolkata celebrates its 175 years glorious legacy, we, the class of 1985, celebrate our 25 years of school leaving, the Silver Jubilee reunion. Let's rewind, go on a flashback mode, and witness the magical moods and moments.
Memorable day you ever had at school?
It's becoming house captain of Hastings House.
And what do you think school gave you?
Confidence, discipline, and self-assurance and belief in myself.
An empty place. Take me to the truth, and we will make it stay. Oh, I can't get to love you, babe. Fill me with your love again. Round and round we go. Each time I hear you say it. This is the rhythm of the night. The night. Oh yeah.
I remember right now, we're just talking to some friends who were sort of telling me about, dress and wearing a suit and everything. And I remember when we were in school, inspection, where you had to be inspected based on how polished your shoes were. And if they weren't polished enough, you took a step backwards. And if they were polished very well, you took a step forwards. And I was usually part of the backwards camp.
My best memory is, I think, in the library with Miss Anand. Yeah. Why? Oh, she was very nice. She would always help me find lovely books and we would explore them together. So, yeah.
And let me hold your hand. I don't wanna be the one in tears. You just thinking that I'm on my knees. Sing that song for me. No reason to repent. I know you wanna say it. This is the rhythm of the night. The night. Oh yeah. The rhythm of the night. This is the rhythm of my life. My life.
And the teacher you had the biggest crush on?
Mrs. Well, we have the hots for Linda Ennis. Yeah, she's one with a nice ass, yeah. And who else? Ritu Kapoor.
Miss Subaya. I fancied her. Any male teachers? We didn't have any. That was a sad point. Billy Goat. Oh gosh, we only had one male teacher, Billy Goat. I fancied him.
Rhythm of the night.
Oh, Carol, I am but a fool. Darling,
Who was your best friend at school?
I had many. Everybody was my best friend.
She doesn't remember her best friend's name. That's why she's not saying it. Lying. It was me. She's lying. She doesn't remember. That's why she's not saying it. She's forgotten. What was the worst punishment you ever had?
We wore colored panties and we had to stand on in the Lawrence Hall on the auditorium, lifting our dress, showing our panties.
What was the question? Your name?
Ramila.
Every day was a gift. I really loved
I really love the people of La Martinia.
Oh, Carol, I'm so in love with you.
Oh, Carol, I am but a fool. Darling, I love you, though you treat me cruel. You hurt me, and you made me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die.
Darling, there will never be another, 'cause I love you so. Don't ever leave me, say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart, no matter what you do. Oh, Carol, I'm so in love with you.